Brian Davenport from Coral Canyon Joint and Spine coming at you today from Keller Williams in Hurricane. Congrats to those who recognized the KW from at the end of our last video. Wanted to give you the update on the coronavirus numbers. As of yesterday, there were 40 confirmed cases in the southwest corner of Utah, with 4 new cases confirmed on Saturday. There's currently 3 hospitalized patients with the coronavirus in the southwest corner. We still just had 1 death, and there's been 11 people who have recovered from the coronavirus in this corner of the state. Wanted to give you also a little public announcement. Today is National Twinkie Day. It's also National Jump Over Things Day and National Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints Day. So there's some trivia, some reasons to celebrate today. In case you maybe have had symptoms or talked to people with symptoms, we wanted to give you some guidance regarding how and when to be tested. This information is taken from coronavirus.utah.gov, and so I would refer you there for their specific recommendations. The local testing site in southern Utah is at the River Road Instacare building in St. George. They do recommend you call ahead. They've created a coronavirus hotline number, which is 844-442-5224. So please call that number if you think you should be tested, and tell them you're on your way. They can make arrangements. Today's health hint is get your groove on. It doesn't just make you feel good, it's good for you. Studies have shown that those who make love more often are healthier and have higher levels of cold-fighting substances in their bodies. So we're here today, as I mentioned, at Keller Williams with Ryan and Nancy. Ryan, hey. If there's anything you'd like to pass on to the community?
Well, we've had a lot of questions on real estate and how real estate's being done these days with the social distancing and the quarantine. And so we're actually doing things that we've been doing for a few years now, which include we do a lot of contracts with electronic signatures through programs such as DocuSign. As far as being able to look at properties, we're encouraging people to do that a lot more digitally. We have a website that we've had up for years at buysouthernutah.com, and you can look for properties there. It includes properties throughout Washington County, as well as not just our own listings, but any company that works in the Washington County Board of Realtors. And so besides our website, Nancy's going to tell you a little bit about an app that we've got.
So we have a great app on Keller Williams that shows all of the properties in Washington County, not just ours. And it's easy to use on your phone. You can set up your own searches. You can look at properties that you're driving by, and it'll give you the pictures and all of the details. If you'd like more information on it, we're happy to share that with you. Just give us an email or a phone call, and we will get you set up.
Okay, great. Thanks for doing that. Thanks for keeping us going. All right. Now, I just had one question for you. You guys are both very cultured people, and so you probably know the difference between COVID-19 and Romeo and Juliet.
I don't. I'm not that cultured.
I'll tell you. One's the coronavirus, right?
Okay.
The other's the Verona crisis.
Oh, nice.
Okay, there you have it. So, thank you. Bye-bye for now.